Hi, this is the Science Chef. In this video, we'll show you how to fold your filter paper in case you want to carry out any filtration experiment. Alright, so let's start. The first thing you'll do, actually you can also do this with me. You can get your filter paper and practice along with me. You get your filter paper, let's fold it into two equal halves, neatly. Right? And after which you fold it into a quadrant. Fold into a quadrant neatly. And then you open up the quadrant as a cone. Can you see what I'm trying to do here? You press these two open edges, you hold them together, and now place your thumb and your first finger here and now push it to open. Now notice, if you are not careful, these flaps will open up like this, right? So you have to do it in such a way that one part remains sealed while the second part is what opens up into a cone. Can we see this? Yes, it opens up into a cone, and you now place it inside your filter funnel. That's it. You place it inside your filter funnel. That's it. You can then use your hand to support it while pouring in your mixture, right? Because if you leave it, since it's light, it might be forced to come out of the word filter funnel. But if you want to ensure that your filtration is efficient, you can use your fingers to support the part of the filter paper where the two quadrants meet, right, while pouring your mixture to ensure that the filter paper sits in the filter funnel while the mixture filters through. So that's just it. So that's how to fold your filter paper. If you're able to learn anything from this tutorial, give us a like and subscribe to this channel if it's your first time here, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. So until we come your way next time, stay blessed.